What's going on, everybody? Back with another video, and I know what you guys are thinking. After a whole year of not posting anything, all of a sudden I post like 2 videos. So today I'm going to go ahead and take this positron apart because it no longer flips, as you probably heard me say in my previous video. If you guys actually watched the previous video, I'm basically going to try and make it flip like this. This Southern here, this other Southern by Spyderco, but this one is so gritty. Yep. Okay, well, anyways, quit dilly-dallying around. And let me roll up my sleeve. I got 2 T8s with me right here, and let's go and take this bad boy apart and see what we're working with here. Hang on here. Oh. It may actually just come right out by itself. I don't even need the other one. Yep, there it goes. That over here. Let's see. Okay, well, that's not coming out. Go and take, let's see if I can just take these out. This is going to be something different, isn't it? There we go. This is a T6 back here. Let's see. These screws are surprisingly coming out really simple. What the hell? Oh, that's an 8. Okay. So both the 8s are over here. Okay. Sorry, a little awkward for me to do this behind the camera. And again, I am completely out of practice here. Oh, I forgot. I was supposed to lock the knife open. Good job. Whoa, this thing is like in there. I wonder if that screw doesn't meant to come out. Let's see here. See if I can get this side off at least. There we go. Come on. Okay, well, here's the nested liners, as I was describing on my earlier videos. See if they're gonna focus. There we go. So that's pretty cool. Okay, enough of that. Let's see here. There we go. All right. Probably won't be able to see this because I'm not using a macro lens, but sorry about for my nasty looking hands here, but there you are. So let's get these all cleaned out and put back in. Where's the other one at? Yeah, we'll just let those kind of soak in there for a little bit. While we're waiting for those to soak, let's take a look at the interior of this thing. So it looks like it's been milled out, recessed in. Oh, didn't realize there's actually some washers in there. Oops. Oh, what the hell, let's wash these off too. There we go. And then we got the, looks like some posts and some back spacers in here. Whoops. Come on. There we go. Oh, these are going to fall out. There's the back spacer. In fact, I'm just going to stick that back in where it came from. It'll probably make my life a whole lot easier in the long run. So let's just put those back in there. So there we go. And then here's the line, or the lock side, I guess I should say. Blade stop, and again they're all nested in there. There's the detent ball. You know, a little bit of milling going on. Where's the other side? Right here. So a little bit of milling going on. So they definitely went for lightweight, so very functional everyday carry. I like it. Very nice. Alright, well, I think that's good enough. Let's go and just empty those bad boys out here. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh boy. Try these suckers off here. Alright. I got some Tough Glide dry lubricant here. Works really well. Oh, if I can get this thing off of there. Oops. Put a little dab there. Put that in there. We'll work it around a little bit. Go. Then I guess I'm just going to put dab right here, dab right there. Stick that on. Lock that in the open position. Just one drop there. And then we'll go ahead and spin that around a little bit. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the knife from around the camera, so if this is out of focus, I completely apologize for that. And then there we go. All right. So oh, I see. I didn't realize it, but there's a flat bit. There's a flat side to this, which I can't show you, of course, but just believe me, it's there. And that goes through first, like that. All right, got it. So I am being a complete and utter idiot here. That goes through, and these should all become flush, I hope. Yeah, this one. Oh, this one has a flat side to it as well, which I didn't notice, which goes up here. There we go. There we are. So that's all my fault. Yep, I know what I'm doing. Sure I do. Put these back together. Okay. Let's, well, first of all, let me get the Tough Glide back, sealed back up again. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the pivot. Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot I never took out the other side. So this just goes in like that. And let's go and put in these here. That would be the 6, which is over here. Sorry, I guess this is going to be ending up to be one of the most boring videos everybody will get to watch. Alright, slightly off center. No blade play, but that's probably the reason why, because I probably tightened this thing down a little bit too much. So let's go and back off it a little bit. Alright. There we go. Oh, look at that. She flips. That is freaking fantastic. There we are. So I guess I didn't need to back up. Excuse me, can't talk. Back off that too much. Centering is slightly off, but I don't really care about that. I'm no longer that kind of a knife person anymore, probably. So let's go and put the rest of the screws in and see what happens. Put that in. This is the 8. Side all the way in. There we go. Still doing it, and yeah, a little centering's a little off, but now she flips just like my other Spyderco Southern. Look at that. That's all it took. A little bit of oil, love, care, whatever you want to call it. But she's good as new. There we are. Move the stupid tray out of the way. Get a better high contrast background on it. So next thing I gotta do is clean off this blade and get her sharpened up, but you know, I'll be doing that on my own. You probably don't want to be watching that, but I thought maybe you guys would be interested in seeing the innards of the Positron and You know, the fact that I've been kind of just restoring it. Actually, centering's not too bad now that I look at it again. It is slightly off, but like I said, who freaking cares, right? So I guess that's it for this video. I'll leave it next to some really classical knives that maybe some of you newer knife guys are not familiar with. Here we go. Here's two Boblum Tantos, however you pronounce it. And anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, leave it below. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys on the very next one. Take care.